Hey friends, this is Mark Melonas from LukeWorks. I'm going to show you how to use the shoulder flow system for your slot drains. I have a 1/2 inch slot, tapered, leaving a 3-inch area flat. Take my jig and I place the jig on that 3-inch flat and drill 2 holes. Depending on what screw you're going to use for the center, you can drill a 5mm hole or something smaller. I like to get it started with 5mm and then drill a smaller pilot. There's my pilot. Once that's done, you take 2 of the index pins out of your kit, boop, and you put them in the outer holes. You can tap them once to make sure they're seated down. And then you take your slot and you can put a little tiny bit of silicone on the bottom of the slot. Less is more. And place your drain. I like to tap it and wiggle it down to get air bubbles out of the silicone and make sure it's living down. Then I take my prepared grid drain, boop, or my prepared drain cut off of a grid drain, and I take my drain knockout and I put a little Vaseline around this piece. Slide this into here. It's a snug fit, and I make sure there's a little shoulder there before I put it together. This guy sits right on and nestles in, and I take a long 3-inch screw with a big head. This is from Fast Cap. And drive it down. Shoulder flow is on.